Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the rear inside door handle on this Trailblazer 2004. Same as any Trailblazer, Envoy, Ascender, Bravada, Rainier, and Saab 97X. Tools you'll need are a small flat blade screwdriver, a 7mm and 10mm socket with ratchet and extension. Start by using a small screwdriver, and you want to pry up this little kind of trap door here. Pull it out. There's two 7mm bolts there, and then around your door handle you can see the little slots. You want to take your screwdriver, push in there, and pull out. Okay, so we'll push and pull out on this bezel, and then there's another one right up here, another one here. Okay, and the last one up here. And that comes right off. Your power window switch, just kind of work your screwdriver underneath. It pops up and out. And then there's a tab right here. You can just put your screwdriver in, push, and pry it out. Disconnect that. Okay, now I'll remove these two 7mm screws. Okay, and we'll just fast forward, just taking those two 7mm bolts out. Once you have all that out, you just kind of work your hands underneath. Start, probably easiest if you start here in the front. And you pull the panel, nice brisk pull. Okay. Then it comes off. You can see it has all the pins just go into little holes. Okay, inside door handle, 10mm bolt, socket, ratchet, extension. Okay, now the handle slides forward and out. Okay, pull the handle out a little bit. You'll see some clips back here. I'm going to pull the clip off and then pull the rod up. Then there's another one right underneath. Pull the clip off again, pull the rod up, and your handle's off. Okay, so to install your door handle, you've got two rods here. One's the lock. You can feel that it just kind of has a detent in it, and the other one just pulls. That's your door handle. The lock goes on the bottom. Okay, so we just have to kind of, hard to film, but put it into place, push it down in, and lock the clip on. Door handle opener. Make sure you flip this clip around. Again, push into place. Maybe use our screwdriver just to help lock that clip into place. Okay, door handle goes in, slides back, 10mm bolt. And we'll just speed up tightening up that bolt. You want it nice and firm. Put your door panel back on. Make sure your harness gets into this little cavity. Pull it through. Okay, you should be able to pretty much just put the panel into place. Kind of look back here. You'll see the little green pin. So where it's supposed to go. And you can look over here. Pretty much once you have those two pins, okay, you're all good. Connect our switch. Push it down. Okay, this has a little lineup pin. Goes into a hole in the handle. Make sure you push on all four corners. And your two 7mm bolts. Okay, we'll fast forward as we put those bolts in and tighten them up. You want them nice and snug. They don't have to be overly tight though. Okay, and now push this back into place. And one good thing is just to make sure your door is unlocked. And you're all set. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.